So this is how the mobile looks like. It's a curved screen, not a flat display. In the display on the top, front facing camera is placed, followed by a speaker grill on the top. On the right side, volume increase and decrease buttons are there, followed by a power on or off button. This mobile in hand looks so slim and premium. On the bottom side, a speaker is there, followed by a Type-C slot, a SIM tray and noise cancellation mic. On the left side, it's clean, no buttons, nothing. On the top side, they mentioned Dolby Atmos and another noise cancellation mic is available. On the back side, two cameras are provided. The main one is a 50 megapixel. Coming to the flashlight, it's a single LED, not dual tone. On the back side, middle, they given the Motorola logo. The overall touch and feel is really good. Now let's see how it looks like after adding the back case which is provided in the box. So this is how it looks like. If you observe, only corners, top and bottom is protected. When comes to sides, it's not. So better you buy a new case apart from this. Now let's turn on the mobile and set up so that we can look into the mobile deeply whether any bloatware is there. This mobile comes with a Think Shield protection system. Finally, I completed the setup. This is how the mobile looks like. The Android version is 13. When it comes to security patch, it's in 1st February 2024. Okay, come to the bloatware, there are no apps I seen that are not useful. Only Facebook is there. Apart from that, all are default and some Motorola apps are available which is compulsory for these mobiles. Overall, it's clean and simple. So this is all about the unboxing and initial impressions. Let's quickly open the camera and check how it looks like. You can do 0.5x zoom or 1x or 2x in the camera. If I shift from 0.5x to 1x, the colors are also shifting. You can also observe here. Even the macro photography is available. Anyways, I planned so many videos for this mobile. So if in case you are watching this video lately, check out the links and related videos in the description box. Before going to end this video, let's quickly check the display refresh rate. It is in auto mode. Now I'm going to change to 144 Hz and use this continuously in this refresh rate. They provided different refresh rate options. It's good actually.